finally hit on the EQL raffle. I don't know, guys. I think I'm feeling the off-white ones a little bit better. What y'all think? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. I really appreciate it.
I'm proud of you, you know that.
Yes, sir.
I hope
in this
you do.
video, man, we're going to do a 4K review on the Maniere Dust. No, these ones is the Dawn. Yeah, the Dawn. I wanted to get this video to y'all last week, but last week was Thanksgiving, and I feel like Thanksgiving is for family and close ones, so it's coming today. Good thing they dropped on sneakers today. If you were looking for this pair, I hope you were able to cop. This pair, you had way more options than the black pair. And I do like the black pair a little better. But this pair's alright too, man. So Maniere came out with the Dust and Dawn, similar to RP to my guy Virgil. Off-White did it similar way. You know, the vintage look, the yellowing, the white, the black. So that's what Maniere did. And I feel like they did a good job, man. I like the way this is called Dawn, and it do looks like when the sun is about to come up. And the black ones just look super dope. Those are coming, but these we're gonna deal with first. And when it comes to fives, I'm nostalgia with it, man. These are the Lanny fives, yet to restock, re-release. I'm mad because it got the Jordan. You know we want the Nike Air on the booty, but they still ain't in restock, so that's why I'm holding on to them. But I feel like they did a great job with this pair, vintaging it out, making it look just like the Dawn of Day. I don't want to talk too much, guys. Let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So Maniere always been super dope with the packaging. My favorite was the I don't know if that was the 12s. I believe it's the 12s that had the clear silicone with the pull out. I think that was the 12s. But if you look close, you get a nice blue Dawn box with the A's all around it. The Maniere logo all around. Kind of feels like reptile skin, but it's like the A's all the way around the box. On the side of the box, you get like a nice, same color as the box Jordan Man, but it looks like it's like clear glue. It's confusing, guys, but that's on both sides. And it reads Women's Air Jordan 5 Retro SP Photon Dust Black. Photon. Reminded me of the Miss Marvel girl. When you take off the lid, it has that like Apple product Ziploc tightness. You get the Maniere logo on the inside. This gave me Jordan 4 Union vibes a little bit, but that's there. And just like every other release, you get the tissue paper with the A's all on it. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Maniere Jordan 5 Dawn. I keep wanting to say Dust, man. So off the bat, what we love, Nike Air on the booty. I love that, man. Not that the Jordan Man is trash. The Nike Air just gives it that retroness. And this one, if you look, is very, very stitched. Very appropriate. Pops out off the back of the shoe. I love that, man. So far as the material, it's like a soft, sandy nubuck. I'm really not a fan of the material because if you can see, I haven't even put this on yet. And you get that little bit of like crinkles there. I don't like that, guys, but the Jordan 5s is known for that. No matter the leather ones, the nubuck ones, right there always gets a little messed up, man. I do like the colorway because of the name of the sneaker, but this material on the Jordan 5, it just always happens. It's kind of no way around it. But the shoelaces come laced in that same color as the sneaker. I do like that look. I just wish it was more blue in the sneaker. You get two shoelaces. You get the vintage cream off-white look. And then you get a regular white pair. I don't mind the gray, but if I'm going to switch it, it's definitely going to be with the vintage look. Let me know in the comment section below. So speaking of vintage, the classic Jordan 5 window is already yellowed out, guys. Looking like it's vintage already. So is the bottom. They did a great job with this bottom. Reminded me just like the off-white joints we got from Virgil. And that's all the way around. The silhouette, of course, it has your fire jets or flighter jet. Fire as a Jordan 5 should be, but it's in a blue flame. I like that look. Again, I just wish the sneaker had more blue, but you do get your blue flame there. The tongue also was yellowed out, vintaged out. You do get your crazy Jordan 5. We used to call these ice. Y'all let me know what y'all called them in y'all hood and y'all community. But we used to call this the ice tab. You do get that, and it is vintaged out, just like on them off-white 5s I showed y'all early in the video. The tongue on the right side has the Jordan Man, and yes, it does have the metallic reflect tongue. They did great job with that. The right side has the Jordan Man. The left side has the Armand Maniere logo. So you got Jordan on the right and the Armand Maniere on the left. Both have Nike Air on the booty, guys. Both have the 23 logo also. So not only do we get the history Nike Air logo, we do get the 2-3 on the side of the sneakers. I really, really like that look. As far as the insoles, it's even stitched Nike Air inside, which is super crazy, super luxury. That's dope, man. The inside is stitched Nike Air also in that nice blue that we only get a little piece of out here. That's dope to me. The back of the tongue reads Armand Maniere in big, big font. I like that look also, guys. But the inside is crazy to me, man. Like, this is stuff you reserve for the outside. As far as the bottom, we also have that yellow look. So yellow and black with a nice black, maybe dark blue. But to me, it looks black Jordan logo on the outside, guys. On the back of the right shoe, you got Michael Jordan logo. The left side, you have the Armand Maniere. And on the bottom of the right side, also, instead of the Jordan Jumpman, man, you got the Armand Maniere A logo, the A that you got on the box. And the same vintage look on the back, like the side, like the other side. Just the logos change from right to left. Yes, sir. So that's a quick in 4K review on the Armand Maniere Jordan 5s. Again, like I told you, I won my first EQL raffle, and they charge you $5 just for winning. It's a weird thing, man, but I'm just happy that I got these. I secured these last week, like I told you. And then I hit again today on Sneakers app. I know a lot of people are like not feeling these because the black ones do look a little better in my opinion, and these are more of a worldwide. You can get these in a lot of different stores, i.e. Social Status. If you don't know, the same owner of Armand Maniere owns Social Status, guys. So like a lot of different websites, especially overseas, got this colorway. That's making the black ones at nearly $500 to $600 on StockX and GOAT now. You could get this pair here for about $200 to $300 depending on your size. I paid $244 today from Sneakers. I think I paid $250 from the EQL drop. I believe so, man. But the pair's dope, man. It's quality, it's A1. The colorway a little iffy, but it does stand for what it's called. So I really like it, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. Soon as the black ones get in, I'ma do that review too, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Real quick, as you can see here, I'm almost finished putting together some of the crepe boxes. I told you guys that I'm going to give a giveaway for the crepe boxes before the end of the year. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Yes, sir. And let me know how y'all feel about these sneakers in the comment section below. I think they dope, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.